This is what 145-mile-per-hour winds look like, and this storm didn't just hit, it tore entire communities apart. Super Typhoon Sinlaku slammed into the Northern Mariana Islands overnight, unleashing hours of relentless wind and rain before sunrise, and within minutes, the damage started piling up.
Hinahan na yung hotel, guys. Yung tubig, wala na. Tubig ng hotel, tubig ng bagyo.
The worst impacts were on the islands of Saipan and Tinian, home to nearly 50,000 people, where residents had little choice but to shelter in place as the storm ripped through. On Saipan, entire roofs were torn clean off buildings. Trees snapped in half. Power lines came crashing down. In one area, a blue sedan was found flipped completely onto its side. But one of the most shocking scenes came from an apartment complex, where a resident looked outside and saw something almost unbelievable. A car sitting on top of two others in the parking lot below. That's the kind of force this storm was producing. Winds this strong didn't just damage buildings, they tore apart anything exposed. Balconies were ripped open, debris was flying through the air, entire neighborhoods were left scattered with wreckage.
Good God, damage. Okay, right there.
One resident described the damage as huge, hoping people would understand just how severe the situation had become. Flooding quickly followed, with heavy rain overwhelming parts of the islands. Uprooted trees and downed power lines made travel dangerous, if not impossible, and across the region, more than 1,000 people had taken shelter at the height of the storm. When it made landfall, Sinlaku had winds of up to 145 miles per hour, making it one of the strongest tropical cyclones on Earth this year, so far. And somehow, despite the destruction, no deaths were reported. But now that the storm has passed, entire communities are left picking up the pieces.